What's up YouTube, this is Prince with Pt.1 and this is Jailbreak Quickie Part 2. So the tweak that we're going to be looking at today is called dots. This is a real cool notification tweak. So if I go to my pictures right here, this is what it does. So basically you get like these dots. Whenever you get a notification, you're going to get a dot on the screen, the color of the notification. So if it's like Twitter where it's like blue, then you get blue. Messages will be like green and whatever. So whatever the color of the notification is, that's what you're going to get. So this tweak is paid, so you're going to have to be jailbroken. Then you're going to go to Cydia. The repo will be in the description. So let's just go right here. So here it is right here. Dots. So once you add the repo and you go to dots, you could read about it. So this will work for iOS 10 to 11, and it will work for basically all the devices, but it's better for the iPhone 10 because it has an OLED screen. So it'll be much better. So you can read about it, and the price is $2 right here, $2, and you're gonna have to pay by PayPal. So scroll all the way down and you want to click on purchase, and it'll bring you to PayPal and you could purchase it, and it'll reroute you back to Cydia where you could install it. So once you've done all that, I already did that, so I got it installed. So I'm gonna exit out, I go to settings, scroll down, dots, and here it is right here. So you have a respring button up top. You could enable or disable it, and you have the always on. The always on, you have to be careful with the always on because it says warning. Although dots has features to battle screen burning, enabling always on is still a risk. So always on, that's going to keep the dots always on your screen. So let's turn that on. In fact, let's leave it the way it is. And the dot size is real big, so you can scroll up and down, and I have the pulse. So I'm going to send myself a text. Text, and we're gonna see it in action. So there you go. So I get it, and it's on there, and it's blinking because the notification will be green because the text is green, and then it's gonna go away. You tap, it comes back. Only thing is the raise to wake feature doesn't work. Like you could feel the phone, the haptic feedback, like it's open, but this doesn't come off the screen. So if I pick up, it wakes up, but it doesn't open. I wish it would open to let me see the text, or give me an option to tap, and then it will show me whatever the notification is. But you could swipe up and go back in the settings. Let's make it smaller. I made the pulse smaller as well, and then we're gonna leave. We're gonna turn always on, and that's gonna keep the dot on the screen for as long as possible, but that will give you burning. So I wish there was a way where the dot would move up and down, because on an OLED screen you do get burning. So that's what the whole warning right here is about. So let's send another text. Hold up, go back in, let's respring, send another text. So now you can see the dot is real small, and it's gonna stay on for basically a much longer because I turn always on. So whenever you see your phone, you're gonna know you got a notification. It doesn't go away until I hit like, and then it's open. So yeah, this tweak is called dots, and yeah, it's $2 in Cydia. You guys could go in there and check it out. I mean, it works, but I wish there was a way where once you pick up the phone, it would open. And I wish there was also a way that you could choose the colors. I mean, it's cool that it works with the notification, whatever the notification is, but yeah, just to see a whole bunch of different colors, it should be where you could change it. But there should be a lot more updates coming to this. So what I'm going to do to set up mine, I'm going to turn always on, off. And I'm gonna make dots. I make the pulse real big. The dots like right there. Hit respring. Hold up. Let's send a test. And that's how I'm gonna leave mine. So there you go, guys. It's Prince with ATP101. Rate, comment, subscribe, and make sure to check out my first Jailbreak Quickie right up here in the corner. Peace. Thanks for watching.